I won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up? Let's go. S&P's making new lows, getting cabooshed here. NASDAQ making new lows, getting cabooshed here, down 14. All right, we're getting deeply oversold here. Silver, what happened to silver today? Up to 78.05 and then got absolutely cabooshed. Silver just flipped negative here on the 60-minute time frame. How is everybody today? Happy New Year. It was like it all I could say today. It was Christmas in December. It was wild today. Wild, wild, and wild. Listen, no stream tomorrow, just to let you know. And we'll be back Monday in full force for the whole year of 2026. MyFundedFutures, dedicated to really, really knock the ball out of the park here, to give you guys a significant year. They got me here. I'm ready to go, rock and roll. Let's do it. So many new people I met. Okay. So many new people I met in the last couple of nights here. Really, really great. There goes silver here, pushing right back up. You got the ADX is rising here on the 15. This silver looks like gold and silver. S&P's making new lows here. How'd everybody do today? Okay. Again, I want to say, okay. Just want to make sure everybody had a great, great day. So welcome, everybody. I'm Kalayjian. For those of you who don't know me, I've been trading for over 43 years. Love every minute of it. I love this game. That's a t-shirt. And again, just wanted everybody to realize and understand, if this silver pushes up to the 84, you got to go wide now on silver. 84 to 05, you got to, or you can go, let's say 79 up to 79 up to like 04 on silver. We've been scalping silver. You know the difference between pattern trading and scalp trading. You know the difference, right? The difference is high performance here, right? Focus, no emotion. How you doing, Melvin? How you doing? God bless, Melvin. Here we go. All right. I knew this silver was along here, actually. If this thing drops, you can look to like scalp it here. If this thing drops, so look to cover between 73 and 83 range here. If it drops here. All right, S&Ps just rallied about 2 here. ADX, if S&Ps get down to the 24, 29 range, I would look to buy it. NASDAQ futures gets down to the, I would say NASDAQ gets down to the 74, 84 range, 74, 94 range. Now, one of the things, Jay Shine, we crushed it today, baby. We crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. Look at this silver. I wanted to buy this silver right here. You see this silver right here was making practically new lows here. You see this? Yeah, this silver is turning up here. I'm going to short some actually here. Let me go. I'll short some here on the silver. See if it gets up there here. All right. Short some here lower. Boom, 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 boom. Just made an extra. There you go. What is this? A long one? How can I be long one? I don't want to be long one. Silver. All right. Let's see here. All right. This silver, like I said, how is everybody here? Okay. Gold pushing up. Yep. But you're negative here on the gold futures here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Silver, look to cover the silver anywhere between the 78.9 and 89 range if you're short. Gold running, hey, Steven, we'll be, yes, we will. Hey, look at the silver drop, baby. Look at the silver drop. Yes, we're going to do, I believe, 10 giveaways tonight. 10 giveaways. Denny is sick. He's just catching up on some stuff. Hey guys, MyFundedFutures is really dedicated here to really. Hey, Bon Jovi's in the house. What's up, Bon Jovi? Sing us a song. All right. So, China Red News tonight. Okay, let's see. 8:45. William just texted me that. Okay. All right. Let's go. Silver just got kabooshed here. You scale into the position. What's going on with the fam? Hope you're having a good evening. Yes, I am. Great day today. Great day. Right. I thought today S&P's NASDAQ just rallied here. I don't know if they got down to our levels here. The giveaways will happen at 9:55. Look at the silver drop. Silver just dropped 40 cents just now. Woohoo! Listen, let me tell you, I had people text me on Christmas night, okay, and say, Steve, look what my phone was blowing up what people were doing trading silver and gold on Christmas night, okay? Wow, where was this move at NASDAQ earlier? Oh, I don't know. Kabooshed. All right. So I took the silver. You made $1,000. There you go. $1,000 on the short in silver. Listen, look at these S&Ps go. I don't think we got a chance to buy the NASDAQ and S&Ps. I would just, you got the MGC kabooshing. Okay, it was not kabooshed yet. So let's look at the gold on the bigger time frames right now. The 30-minute on the gold futures, just the most important thing. Looking at the different time frames, obviously, right? We got gold negative here. We got some bear flag setting up here on gold. Oof. If this gold gets up to the 63.80 to 70.80, I would look to short it. Let's see this. Oh, wow, 60s. Got bear flags setting up here. But here's the one good note. You see when gold pushed down here during the evening session here, it did not make a new low here. Okay, we can't see your charts. Okay, they can't see my charts. All right, I'll tell Aaron they can't see my charts. Okay, all right, I'll just tell Aaron. Okay, gold, I'll be scaling into shorts here. Silver, I would short some silver here. I was short silver 17 to 47. Now you got to go wide on silver. Okay, you got to go 30 wide. You can't be playing around here with silver with 5 and 10 cents. You'll get killed. You get gold dropping, cover gold here below 63. Now we do a lot of scalp trading here. Okay, I'm trying to fix the charts. Okay, so we do a lot of scalp trading here. Okay, and look at the silver drop already, 20 down to. So there's a pattern. There's pattern trading and there's scalp trading. Look at the silver drop. Look at gold just dropped too. Monster moves here. How's everybody? I know it's showing a TV behind, but I know Aaron's got to fix it. Okay. Silver is great. Chart is good here. I don't know why. Denny, you know how to get the charts up? I don't know what's going on here. My chart. I don't know. Anyway, what am I doing here? Michael K8. So what's important that everybody needs to realize and understand is that when you're trading the markets, okay, it doesn't make a difference what asset it is, as long as there's volatility and you understand the patterns. Remember, there's pattern trading and scalp trading. And anybody new out there, if anybody wants to spend a week with me, just text me 914-500-7484. I have so many people from around the world that coming from Australia, coming from Switzerland, coming from all over the world. And I'm just really super excited. All right, if the silver gets up to the 22 to 52, I'd short it again. Gold gets up to the 64.80 to 71.80, I would short it. S&Ps just ran 4, NASDAQ just ran 18. Look at this silver. Where's this thing going? I got to short some here, I think. All right, let's just short some silver here. See if this thing gets filled here. Just scalp it short. Boom. Oh. All right. Short some silver. Boom. Boom. Wow, that was a quick couple hundred right there. Boom. Look to cover silver between 15 and 25 if you're short. Okay. I can literally trade almost every tick in silver. Okay. I mean, Stephen is a great. Thank you. You're very welcome. See, look at this silver drop. Guys, it's all about trading and passing your evals. Okay. And getting paid. Enough is enough. Do you know how many people have said to me? So somebody asked me before I get into this, somebody said to me, Stephen, what was the greatest thing about 2025 outside of your children, your health, and your picking up Hendrix and saving his life and all the other attributes and things that have come my way? Okay. You know what it was? To teach all of you how to trade silver and gold and bring it to your attention and not be fearful of this asset, right? If you're fearful, you stare fear right in its face and you go like this to it. Boom. Right? Right? Why can't you trade gold? That's bullshit. You could trade gold. Okay? You could trade it. Right? Johnny Hamilton, my good buddy from Vegas. Right? Right? And I tweak people. And those of you who want to come here, I tweak people from all around the world. I come here from all around the country. They sit with me. There was a girl here that came a couple of weeks ago. She didn't know how to use a Dom. This morning, she made $975. She said the Dom changed her life. Don't start with me with candles. I will never look at candles. Every professor I know, from the top guys in the world that I know to here, we all use bar data. I do not use candles. Okay, I don't. It's not who I am. Okay, all right. SK only have $100 in D left. Can't afford to. Can't afford to what? Enough is enough. Exactly. Enough is enough. All right. All right. So silver's dropping. All right. Now, you know, one of the things I tell people all the time, and Aaron's trying to fix my charts right now, so I hope everybody understands that. Okay. Let me just see what he's saying. Okay. And anybody new, put a 1, and anybody new that wants me to talk to them after the look at this S&P's rally 6. All right, I'd short the NASDAQ here anywhere from the 20 up to 45 range. S&P's 35 up to 40 range. Yeah, Denny's not feeling too well here today. Look at the silver drop. Look at gold drop. Okay. Hello, my Stopstacky. How are you? How are you? Nice to see you too. Very nice to see you. 150 points. What does that mean? Okay, so many people from around the world, really, I'm talking to. And one of the great things about this market, okay, is the true understanding that you could be, I would short some gold here, 67 up to 74. 67, you got to go wide every 2, okay? Or every, if 67 to 73, you go every 1.5, 2. And we're scalping. So the difference between scalping, pattern trading, and scalp trading, well, we could probably do anywhere between, I don't know, 20 to 40 scalps in any asset in any given day. But you're only going to get 4 to 6 great patterns a day on any asset based upon the research that I've come across, okay? Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Okay, all right. And again, tonight is our last night for the year. What a year. So listen to this. Silver's up 100 and about 165%. Platinum up about 144%. Gold up 62%. Okay. And we have copper up about 40%. Not a bad year for the precious metals. What do you think, right? In my book. Okay. Okay. And anybody that wants to call me, for me to call them or help them in any way, look at the silver drop. S&Ps, NASDAQ, lower your stops if you're short. Wow. Who's sick? Happy New Year, everybody. Engua, how are you? next year will be crypto year. No, I think next year the markets are going to get cabooshed. Okay, just the way you saw silver get killed cabooshed yesterday, right? You're going to see it again. Look at this silver drop. Oh my Lord! Look at silver drop 40 cents. Gold just dropped 4. Okay, guys, let's trade. Let's go. Pass your evals. Gregory walking. What? Jeffrey, how are you, Jeffrey? David, how is everybody here today? Mr. Freeze, Khaleesi, how are you? Jip Smith. Wow, look at this silver drop. Look at the gold drop. This is unbelievable. I mean, guys, we should have 14,000, 50,000 people trading silver and gold, S&P and NASDAQ futures in the night stream. It really is an unbelievable. I don't know. I hope for the sake of the people here, I mean, we should really have a lot of people trading the night stream. Hello from Queens, New York. You must be freezing your tuchus off. Dennis Berry, how are you? Dennis Berryhill, how are you? Nice to meet you. Anybody new, if you'd like to text me, okay. The giveaways are $9.55, and Denny's doing a $9.50, and Denny's doing 10 of them tonight. Okay, 10 of them. So gold just dropped, silver dropped. Johnny Hamilton, you short that silver, Johnny Hamilton? That's the first bounce, Johnny Hamilton, on the 5 minute after the 60 reverse to sell, Johnny Hamilton. Shadow Work, how are you? If you're new, Norik, how are you? If you're new, Tony Coates, how you get in? How do I get in what? Okay. If anybody new, please text me. I'll give you a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Okay. 5-day free trial. And I probably would allow you to start it. If you get it, you can start it Monday to get the full 5-week. Dragon Trades, how are you? Silver, kaboosh. You got the short, Johnny Hamilton? That's what I'm talking about, brother. You free giveaway? My 5-day free trial is free to my live stream and to my member Discord. It is correct. Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Gold down 6. Silver down 40. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? Where's the bear? Does the bear work? Nope, bear doesn't work. All right. Aaron's got to fix my charts here. Come on, Jim Smith. Think positive. 2026 is going to be a great year. Okay? My buddy from Queens must be freezing his tuchus off. I would never go back to New York. S&P and NASDAQ, if you're short, lower your stops. Just look to cover, trade them. Okay? Happy New Year, New Lookie. I hope I'm saying that right. Good job. Made $100. Ragav. There you go, my brother from Japan. There you go, Ragav. Great job, Ragav. All right. Okay. Talked to so many new people. Met a nice couple from Calgary tonight. People from all over the state of Washington. Man, I love talking to people from all over. I just love it. To me, there's no greater joy. And, you know, I want people to succeed. That's all I really damn care about. I don't care. I'm not an affiliate. I just want people to succeed. I want to help MyFundedFutures become the best prop firm out there. And I think, you know, 2026 is going to be a great year for all of us. But the one thing I will tell you, I just don't want people getting caught up on these raffles, right? I want people, Los Angeles, how are you, my brother? I want people to learn, okay? I want people to learn how to fish on their own. Four-hour candle looks like. I don't look at a 4-hour candle. Okay? MyFundedFutures, right, is great. I'll tell you right now, is great. Okay, gold again. I want to see if this gold can get up there. 67.5, 68. All right. Okay. Okay. Denny, if you're listening, I don't know if you are or not, though. Okay. All right. I'm trying to get this chart fixed here. Well, we're not going to be streaming tomorrow night, obviously, New Year's Eve. Okay, gold, I was short some gold here, 67.5, 67.80, 67.5 up to 73, 74.5 range. All right. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. All right. Enjoy the listen, I don't want to be a doom and gloomer here or anything like that, but a young boy, 25 years old, that I've known from up in New York, unbelievable, always had a smile, never complained. Johnny boy, I called him. He was blind. He could only see like out of a pin. Like if you had a pin, that's how he could only see. So practically 99.9% blind. Always had a smile on his face. He passed away yesterday, and it just ripped me apart. Every time I saw him, I hung out with him. He lived on my street. Always had the biggest smile. The kid never complained. Just at 25 years old, my kids knew him very well because my kids are the same age, went to the school with him. But it just, sometimes you take a step back and you look at everything else, what's going on, and you just have to, just reality comes into check. You know what I'm saying? So he was a good boy. So just, that's why you have to enjoy every second. So too young, 25. All right. Let's see if this gold can get another push up here to get short. Silver. Yep, Johnny boy. What a good kid, man. Good kid. Unbelievable. The whole town loved this kid. But anyway. All right. Exactly. This kid never bitched and moaned about a damn thing. Never complained, never said, why me? Just always had the smile. If I show you the picture they posted, this kid had this smile on his face every single day. Every single day. All right. I'm going to short some gold up here. Let's do this here. Johnny boy, let's get some gold shorts. All right. So if this gold here was scalping again, right? All right. Silver's not moving. Oh, Sam, I'm very sorry. Oh my God. All right. Silver, gold. Look to cover shorts below 67. Lower your stops. Sam, I'm very, very sorry, Sam. Very sorry. Yeah. But he, I have to say that he was, there's sometimes you just ask why and you just can't get an answer. But the thing is that this is why I say enjoy every second, enjoy life, do the best you can. Okay. Try to always progress every single day. Always progress. Make every second count. Do things that are going to benefit you and your family. Don't be self-destructive. Don't be in a way that you're going to hurt your family. Be consistent in your life, right? When I say look to cover, what do I mean? Bob, Mary, you don't know what that means? Look to cover. So if I'm short gold at 69 and it drops, I say look to cover the short. Wow, what happened? Oh my God, it just got kabooshed. See, I'm short gold. Oh. Boom. Just covered the gold. Look at that. Boom. I shorted gold all the way up. Look to cover gold here, 68.5 to 70.5 range. Thank you. No, okay. It means take profits, right? You're lowering your stop, right? So if you sold the gold just now and it's dropping, I'll say look to cover gold, right? I don't know if gold's going down in 2026. How is that a loss? See, you're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong right there. Okay? Always rise. That's gold shot up. That a loss. No, you have to learn. You cannot do single lot entries in trading gold and silver. You might as well just hang up trading. Okay? You guys got to learn from me, who's been doing this 43 years. You have to scale into a position with a stop. Okay? I called the range. When it dropped, I said, look to cover below 67. And if you didn't cover below 67, your still range was 67.5 to 73.5, 74.5. You never hit that, right? And so when it's dropping like it did, you start covering your shorts. There is no, I am the master scaler. Scaling in is what saves. Look at the gold drop. You don't stop out gold for 50 cents or $1.50. Whoever this is, you might as well just hang it up. There goes the gold dropping right now. You need to learn how to scale in and scale out, or trading is not, in my opinion, you're going to go bust. Oh, you didn't lose? Okay. But you could have scaled into the short. I had shorts all the way up, and I'm flat. Made a couple hundred. Okay. What I'm trying to tell everybody, right? You could trade two ways. You could trade with stop mark. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. Look at Lee. Look at Lee up. Who's that? Denny? Who did my bear sound? My bear sound didn't work. Look at the gold drop. Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, always rise. Okay, no problem. But I want you to be clear. Lower your stops, okay, or look to cover shorts, right? Jesus, look at that gold drop. Oh, my Lord, God almighty. Wow. Wow. Denny, you get that short, Denny? I don't know where Denny is. Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Look at my buddy Lee and look at, oh my God, look at this gold drop. Anybody short the gold there? Wow. So one of my guys who's part of my community, right? Look at it, $7 on gold. You want 55 on gold. Who cares? You lower your stops. Both, Spencer. Both. So Lee just made okay. So Lee is up. Steve, I'm coming over last February to meet you. Well, you better think twice. I have no openings until April. So if you want to come, you better let me know ASAP, because I can't keep up with the amount of people that want to be here. Okay? I'm not joking around. I'm short to gold. David, great job. Lower your stops. Your entry, I scale in. I was going every 1.5, every $1.80 I was shorting. Look at that. Made 200 on 3 accounts. There you go, Santana. NASDAQ dropping, S&P's dropping, gold dropping. Oh, my God, I love this game. Lee, so if you want to come, Lee, you better text me, okay? February's booked solid. Let you know. All right. Okay. So anyway, I just wanted to be clear when you trade the market, especially a gold or silver. So, again, NASDAQ, right? I don't think any beginner should trade NASDAQ. This is my opinion. Okay. But I think that most traders should trade S&P futures. Okay.
Steven, I'm here. I don't feel very well, so I'm not going to be on the stream.
No problem. They want to know about a raffle tonight.
It's already pinned in the chat. All they got to do is click the link, sign up. There's going to be 10 winners tonight.
Okay. Denny, what the hell happened to you?
I'm just sick.
They can't see my chart. Aaron said you can only do it.
No. Okay. Your chart. Our guys see your chart. I don't know about your guys, but our guys see your chart. It's been up there the entire time.
Anyway, you know what you got to take, Denny? You got to drink a ton of water.
NyQuil and go to sleep.
Well, take NyQuil and go to sleep, but you got to drink a ton of water, and you got to take elderberry and zinc.
I've been drinking a lot of water.
Okay.
I'll look into the elderberry tomorrow.
At 63 years old, come February, for me, my every day, I just pray to good Lord, I don't want to get sick. I take a ton of zinc, I take vitamin D, and I take elderberry. But go lay down, brother. I got you, man.
I'm going to be here until the end of the stream, but I just won't be on the screen.
Yeah, no worries. No worries.
All right.
Right? Elderberry, zinc, right? Everybody, let's wish Denny get well here. Let's go, Denny. We love Denny. Tony, if you just text me at 914-500-7484, I'll send you a 5-day free trial. Hey, Brian. All right. Well, kind of slowed up here. I think tomorrow the S&Ps will probably be in like a 7-handle range. You know that? 7-handle range. So, does anybody watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly? Part 2 is always of my 3-part section is always what I think of the following day is going to happen. So last night I said any rallies that we're going to get today is going to be short-lived because the markets are going to run into a brick wall. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you look here on the 60-minute time frame on the QQQs and spiders, if I could type. Okay. You see these negative MACDs here? So when we got the ding, 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 the market open here, we pushed up. They got kabooshed. They pushed up to make a new high. Again, the MACDs cannot confirm. Okay. Right? David, do you see this? I said it last night. My birthday is February 10th. Okay. And you see this here? The new high, the MACD pushing up into a negative MACD, blue over yellow. Let them have them. Right? Let them have them. Let them have them. All right, you got to short some gold here. I'll short some gold here, 74 to probably 74 to 81 range. Oh, we got some news coming out, right? Then we got some news coming out here. See if we get a drop here on the gold. Boom, boom, flat. Boom, what a short. Oh my God. I shorted that gold up there. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What did silver do? I didn't even check the silver. I took this to show you that what did silver silver rallied. I got a big number coming out here at apparently at if you short this gold, lower your stops. Gold just shot all the way up to like what, 77 I saw here? 77.10. Wow. Beautiful scalp. Good job, Kenny. Mr. Silver. Hey, Jennifer. Jennifer, I got to tell you, I'm very proud of you, Jennifer. Really, I am. And I can't wait to meet you from the end of February. Jen, I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you, Jen. Of course I'm proud of you, Ryan, but I don't know you. But Jennifer killed it today. Slaughtered it like sheep in the night. Look at this gold drop. See, here's the thing. You know, silver just dropped 21 cents. Now, you know, one of the things that I tell people, go get them, Lee. You're long silver? Jesus. And one of the things I tell people all the time is that this is a process, and the process, you got to get better every day. Close on Thursday, open as usual on Friday. Yes, that's correct, Jay Birds. Okay. Chinese big number coming out, right, Lee, at 9:45? You ate that whole bone? Are you crazy eating that whole bone? You're going to get fat, and then I'm going to have a problem. My Hendricks. Unbelievable. Wow. All right. New high. No more trading. 6 minutes. We got a big number coming out. Thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Give me that. Give me that. All right. Nice little scalp short there. Wow, you went long silver 74.77? Good man. Well, good job. All right. S&P's dropping. Gold pushing up to new highs here. Gold's going to reverse to buy in the 15. I still think this gold's a short. Silver right back up. But you got this number coming out. You can't go near it. Well, you got 5. If you want to take a scalp short, 78 to like 84. Silver, 60 to 84 on silver. Okay. There's supposed to be a big number coming out here at 9:45. I don't know. A big Chinese number? I'm not sure. You hear my horse? You hear my Hendricks? We got a couple minutes. China PMI, right? You hear my Hendricks? Only if you want to. You don't have to. I'm just saying, if you want to just take a scalp short in the next couple minutes here, that's all. Right? If you're short the silver, if you're short the gold, look to cover gold anywhere between 76 and 78. Boom, silver, look to cover below 55. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There's right. No more. You're not having two bones. Go get over there. You're not get over there. No. That's it. You drank everything. You're eating everything. No more. Sit down. No. There you go. Nice little scalp shorts in silver. Quick 100, Joe Penna. There you go. Right? Boom. Kabooshed. There you go. That's a t-shirt. There you go. I got a lot of t-shirts coming. Why do you think I need luck for life? I didn't say that. Love this game. Let them have them. All right, silver just got kabooshed. All right, we just lost 30 people. I don't know what happened. Silver just got kabooshed. Good boy. You ate that whole bone? I can't believe it. It's out already? No! Get back. Get back. Get over there. Sit. No. You had enough. You had one. Whew. Why did they tell me 9:45? I don't even see this news. All right. All right. Anybody new here? Anybody new wants a 5-day free trial? Just give me text me your full name and email. I'll send it over to you. And you can probably start at Monday to get the full 5 days. All right. There is news. I thought so. 1 minute. 3 minutes. The first two, yes. Yes. Yay. Okay. All right. MyFundedFutures is going to have a big raffle here tonight here. So we're going to have a nice raffle tonight at 9:50. 10 giveaway. Was that for your course? Yes. If you want not my course, I stream every day on Discord. So I'm giving, it's $4.50 a day. But if I give you this 5-day, it's free 5-day. It's a free 5-day. Okay. All right. S&P's dropped 3. NASDAQ just got kabooshed about 14.15. What is there, a 5 days course? No, it's a 5-day access to my live stream from 9 to 4. You have to text me your full name and email, please. Full name and email, please. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I love that. It doesn't matter. Hello. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yes, Chinese PMI. Hello, Mona. How are you, Mona? Hello, Mona. Get back. All right, silver dropping. All right, this number come out or what? This gold, I don't know what the hell this gold's doing here. Silver dropped a little bit. If this gold gets up to the 80 level, to 87.80, I'd probably take a short. Now, so gold reversed to buy in the 15, so the lows should be in for the night. The lows should be in for the night. All right. If this gold got up to the 80-80 level here, I don't know. I think it did. I'm not sure. All right. I think that's the only trade we're going to get on the S&P and NASDAQ futures here. I don't know if you shorted the gold at 81.5. That might have been before us, though. But okay, so now we're looking at gold. The 15 reversed to buy on my indicator 4. Let's look at the 30-minute. Wow, my God, what a bear flag! Oh my Lord, when this gold reverses here, look at the 60-minute. Very, very negative here. All right. Silver right back up. Silver, it doesn't matter. Let's see the silver here pushing up. Yeah. Yeah, bear flag for gold on the bigger time frame. So, but once that 15-minute time frame reversed to buy, again, yeah, the giveaways. Oh, my Hendricks is he's a good boy. I'm very proud of my Hendricks. Really good. And again, if anybody wants to come and visit me, I'm down here in Jupiter Beach, Florida. I love it here. I love it. It doesn't matter. What happened? Stop. Stop. Big moose. No. Let's see if this gold can get one more push down here. Silver is dropping. Gold, look to cover the gold anywhere between the 78 and 80. New Squawk. Hey, New Squawk. How about I have a company out in England called Live Squawk. They're pretty damn good. Live Squawk, Little Roo. My good buddy Harry Daniels out there in England. I flew to England to meet my buddy Harry Daniels. Guys, check out Live Squawk. I left Connecticut. Gone. The jig is up and gone. Silver cabooshed. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, I left New York about 5 years ago. I'm done. Done. I met the enemy. I am theirs. Right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh. Yeah, check out Live Squawk. They're pretty damn good. Can't you see? Can't you see what that woman has been doing to me? Marshall Tucker. Can't you see? I met Doug Gray. And then I went to see a concert, like 5 concerts over the years. And then I finally went to see him about maybe 8-9 years ago. He could barely sing. He actually held the microphone to the audience to sing. Can you believe it? I felt so bad. Then I went to see Meatloaf in Long Island. He could barely sing. And then years later, he passed away. You know, Live Squawk to me is, I think, the best. Tell us a good story. Let me say a good story. You want to hear a great story? Who wants to hear a great news story? Anybody? I got tons of great stories, man. This gold is going to drop. Silver's dropping. I don't remember any. Are you crazy? Who wants to hear a great New Year's Eve story? First squawk, I like live squawk. Well, I'm not just going to do it for one. I'm not going to, unless there's a majority that wants to hear a great New Year's Eve story. All right, so I'll tell this story really quick here, okay? It's really nothing going on. So I had my office in Manhattan Towers in New York City on 52nd and Lex. And my girlfriend, who became my wife years later, says to me, we never do anything on New Year's Eve. I'm like, and we never will. I said. She said, why? I said, because I work, I'm exhausted, I'm not dealing with the lunatics, and you could deal with them, go out with your girlfriends, do what the hell you want. I'm not being any part of these psychotic people. She says, well, blah, 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 blah. So I says, okay. So she busted my, you know what, for about 2 weeks. And I said, you know what? No problem. We're going to go out on New Year's Eve. We're going to go out with my friend Frank. He got a limousine. He got me in with 3 other couples. So I said, under one condition, I'm going to leave my car in New York City. And I'm going to take the train home. You're going to pick me up, and we're going to drive me over to Frank's house. We're going to go in the limousine and everything. So I leave the car in get back. I leave the car in my garage. I tell the guy, give him $100. I said, leave the car right there in the first spot. I'll be back tonight. He go, what do you mean? I go, I'll be back tonight. So get back. So next thing I know, the limo comes, picks us up. We head into the city. She's got these brand new $800 shoes. I don't know what they were. Designer shoes. They were beautiful. I said, what are you wearing? These are going to get ruined. It's slush and sleet, and you're going to get all mushad, right? Didn't want to listen to me. We get into the city. It's freezing. I have my coat. She has her coat. So we get into this place called Mr. Fuji's Bar and Grill. Right? So place is mobbed. Place is completely mobbed. Right? And next thing I know, I take her coat. She goes, you're going to hang? I go, no, we're going to put it in the back of our chair. She goes, why? I said, I'm not hanging your coat. Don't give me any nonsense. I'm not, because I just want to have the coats. The salads come out around 11 o'clock. 11:15 lights go poof, go on. The fire marshal comes in, throws everybody out. Everybody's scrambling. I grab the coats. I don't say a word. I can't find my friends. Now, my friend has like a $1,500 leather coat that he never got back, right? He checked it. Gold, if this gold drops here, look to cover anywhere between the 78 and 81.5 range if you're short. And then next thing I know, I walk a couple blocks. We're freezing. We put our coats on. Her shoes are completely ruined. And what happens? I hail a cab. Where do you want to go? 52nd and Lex. I get there. I get my car. I heat it up. Boom. I told the guys, they were hysterical laughing. How'd you know? I go, shh, don't worry about it. I get in the car. I don't say a damn word. Right? I get home. I don't say a damn word. She goes to bed. I put the TV on. I watch Howard Stern's Butt Bongo Fiesta. Okay? That was a true story. Gold. Look at the gold drop. Lower your stops on the gold. You could just cover anywhere between 78.5 and 81.5 range. All right? So I end up watching Butt Bongo Fiesta till about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. All right? I didn't carry her. She walked. But I drove my girlfriend home, who ended up being my wife. Always have your coats with you. I never check my coat. She says to me a week or two later, when things calm down a little, because how did you know to keep your car in the city? And how did you know not to check the coats? What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is don't go out on New Year's Eve. That's what I say. There you go. Woohoo! Look at the gold short. There you go, baby. Get in there. That's just Scooby trades. When your gut tells you something, that's the moral of the story. I knew it. I swear to God, the guy, when I walked down the ramp to get my car, the three guys like, oh my God, Mr. Steve, why? I go, shh. Oh my God, how you know the car's ready? How you know you come back? I go, oh, please. I knew from the beginning. Are you crazy? Christmas Eve is okay. I mean, New Year's Eve is Christmas. It's New Year's Eve and Christmas Eve, 2 different nights. I mean, gold just dropped 4 just now. Exactly. It's all predictable. Nick from New Jersey, remember Howard? Look at this gold drop, silver cabooshed. Wait till these 15s roll over. So basically, this strategy right here on silver, just to let you know, is the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame after the 15-minute time frame correlates with the 60 reverses to sell, okay, with the 30 and the 60. So this is what's deemed a set strategy here, okay? Wow, look at this gold drop. It's exactly. I'm a New Yorker. Absolutely. The hell do I know? These 3 Hispanic guys were hysterical. Mr. Steve, oh my God, you crazy. Oh my God, your car right here. You know, Mr. Steve. I go, you crazy. I used to love to listen to Howard Stern. So he had this Haitian woman on one day, and she was screaming at him. And when I found the clip, okay, and I have it right here. If I could find it. And it's a Haitian lady. And she was screaming at him one day. And I don't know if you can hear this or not, but
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. So I was hysterical laughing. He's kept on screaming at her, and she's screaming at him. And she just says, finally, it doesn't matter. Stop! Get back! Get back! See if I can find it again here. Hendrix is so it's this Haitian woman.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. So it's just pretty hysterical, right? It's pretty hysterical. But anyway, well. Oh, we got an hour to go. Jesus, I thought it was like 10 o'clock already. Right? Do you remember that? Digicap? It doesn't matter. Oh my God. So we found the clip. I'm going to add that to my sound effects. It doesn't matter. I got to make a note of that tomorrow. It doesn't matter. Anyway, pretty funny. He used to be good. Now he wants to move out of the country and hates everybody. So he can leave. That's all I care, right? I don't know what the hell got into him. Right? But like I said, for me, trading, I don't know. There should be no emotion in trading. There should be just, if you want to be able to be a scalper, you have to have stealth-like reflexes. You have to be fast. You have to have no emotion. This is I heard somebody say today, it's like a high performance sport. He went woke. Yeah, of course. How do you go from a conservative to being woke? I don't get it. Me too. I used to listen to him every morning. But he went away. He went south. He went crazy, I guess. Okay. And he changed tremendously. I agree. So with that being said, I wanted to say, yeah, he really is, Lil Roo. I'll tell you that. It doesn't matter. That's a t-shirt, actually. You're right. That's a t-shirt. There you go. That's a t-shirt too. All right, you got a little bull flag here on gold. You got one more push up. Same thing with silver. So you get maybe one more push up here, and then get the short. What happened to pig vomit? Right? Robin was insane. I don't know. No, don't say that. Andrew, the raffles are 9:50 or 9:55 tonight. So I gotta say, I'm so proud of so many people who are new with me, who took the time to learn and took the time to really fully understand. Oh, he's completely unlistenable now. Completely unlistenable. I mean, I literally took him off my. I deleted him on my radio, on my Sirius satellite. But the mouse got stuck, right? That's another t-shirt. Let's see here. Yeah, these giveaways, these giveaways should not be important. It's about learning why I'm calling shorts on silver. Why am I calling shorts on gold? Why are these patterns happening or these scalp trades happening, right? And to try, I mean, look at these guys. My guys are making $800-900. I mean, $1,000 here, $650 here. I mean, this is what the game's about. If you're going to be here, we sold the S&Ps on that bounce. The ADX was rising, the 35 down to 32. NASDAQ from 23 all the way down to 13, 12, whatever. I mean, that's definitely a Kaboom and Kaboosh t-shirts. I don't even know who the hell Beetlejuice is. I don't know. I don't remember. So you're going to get another push up here on gold and silver on this little bull flag. And then we'll probably look to short them again off the 30-minute time frames when they set up. You're getting this push up on the 30-minute time frames into negative MACDs. So any push up on silver and gold should be short-lived. So okay, so let's just see what happens here. All right. So one of the things I have to say that I feel is truly important here, there goes the gold. Gold just rallied 2.5 just now. Silver's going to get another push up here. We have the raffles 92.3 K-Rock. Remember, yep. WNBC. Remember that? WNBC. WNBC. Yep. WNBC. I love Boo Boo. Daddy loves you. Yes, I love you too. There goes the silver. I tell you, one more push up on silver on the bull flag. Silver, there you go. 34 to 64. There you go, silver. There you go, gold. I told you got the bull flags going here. WNBC. All right, anybody get that? Oh, my God, 30 cents on silver, $3 on gold. Do you see that? Can you see this chart? That's a buy divergence in a negative trend. Wow. 30 cents like that. Kaboom. Look at that. 280 contracts on that. Wow. Look at the silver keep going. WNBC. WNBC. Anybody get that silver long on here? Anybody? Lee? Anybody from my guys? Nobody got the long? Silva. Okay, so I need some help here. You know how I always say it's Christmas in December, it's Christmas in November, right? How do you say it's Christmas in, like, oh, you know, I jazz it up, you know, with my slang. It's Christmas in December, Decemba, not December, right? So how do I say it's Christmas in January? Do I just say Christmas in Jan? Brian, can you see the chart, Brian? Brian, can you see the chart? I don't know. I got a problem here. You just made another gold long. I said made 3,000 for Samamadi. Wow. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a new year. You caught clean, Auburn. You got the long on the silver. I told you you can get that push up. You see that? That's how you do it, baby. Brian, can you see the chart, Brian? So you're in a negative trend on the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frame, Brian, right? And then I saw this, you know, you got the push up, right? You got the positive MACDs. You still have the 30 and the 60-minute time frames turning up here, right? On indicator 3, look at the 30. Right here, Brian, you see? But it's forming some monster bear flag. So if this silver gets up to 75 again, 75 to even, I would short it. Okay? It's going to get kabooshed. Look at this. Jesus Christ. I knew it was a short there. Okay? So that buy divergence sets up the shorts on the 15 and the 30, Brian. Okay? I doubt we're going to get it, but let's just see. I mean, you missed it. It's silver in December. Yep. Asia markets New Year. Is that right? Can't be, is it? How can the Asia markets be New Year? Oh, my God almighty. Freaking silver just dropped 25 cents. I just made Hendricks jump. Damn it. Damn it. 30 cents down. Damn it. Fuck. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Blank me. Damn it. So you get that bear flag on the 30-minute time frame on silver. That's a great bear flag on the 30-minute time. Look at the 30-minute bear flag. Getting overbought into these negative MACDs. 75. It happened so freaking fast. Damn it. All right. Yep. Hi, ILS. Have a good night, my brother. All right. Have a good night. Oh, my God, Steven. That was a good short up there. A quick 30 cents on silver. Wow. Silver in December. I got to get a picture of Hendricks for me. There you go. You're out. You're out of that? Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. Oh, damn it, Steven. Come on, man. Come on, Steven. Come on, man. Jesus. That's 75 push-up. Come on, give me one more push-up on silver. My mouse got stuck. Remember that line? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. 30 cents on that drop. Jesus Christ. No delayed data. Who has delayed data? Don't drive me crazy, please. Delayed data. Michael, good job on that, Michael. Great job, Michael. Great job, Michael. All right. Happy New Year, my brother from the other side of the world. Kevin, how's it going? It would have been a lot better if I caught this short in silver. Just dropped 35 cents. And gold's going to get kabooshed here. All right. I'm hoping for S&Ps, nothing. What a bear flag on the 30-minute time frame. I can't believe it just shot up to 75 like that out of nowhere. Man. Right? Dang. You ain't kidding me. All right. See, even a guy with 43 years of experience, see? Hugo would have caught. Shalom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Well, you can't get them all, you know, but in the end, Biggie, 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 can't you see? Oh, my God, 40 cents. I knew that bear flag. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Happy New Year, everybody. All right. Did anybody get that short in silver? Oh, my God. 50 cents. Wow. Oh, my God. 75 to 20. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Wow. You got the short and silver? Please. Oh, my God. 60 cents. So if you see that pattern, right, that was the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. I'm sorry, that's the first bounce on the 15. Jesus, I won't even sleep tonight. Where's gold? What's going on with gold? Going lower. Wow, Jesus, Lord God. You're short gold? Okay, be careful with the gold. Different pattern than silver. Silver is negative on all 3 time frames. Oh, I'll get him. I'm not worried about that. That was just delayed. That happened just too fast. I was talking, looking at gold, and I see the silver push up, but we had the short here. Then I said we're going to get one more push up, and I was getting the one more push up. It happened, literally went from 65 to 75 in a blink, and then 75 right back down to like 63. Wow. All right. Okay, Sarah. Whatever will be, right? You don't worry. Don't worry. It doesn't matter. I can't sleep when I miss trades like that. I'll be up all night thinking. And I'm staring right at the bear flag. The 60 reverses to sell on the indicator 4, correlates with the 30 and the 15, and you short the first bounce, right? Here, you see the bounce? Here's one, here's two bounces, right? And the 60 reversed to sell. So this is what's called a set strategy. MACD negative, selling pressure. The algo reverses to sell. The 60 correlates with the 15 and the 30. You short the bounces on the 15, especially the new high here. Oh my God. I'll see this all night. Oh my God. How do I plan? By watching Georgia football, Bama football, college football. I'll be watching Bama football. Go Dogs! Lee, that's very nice of you, Lee. Very nice of you. Again, so indicators lag, price leads, indicators lag, right? But what we got to remember is that the way I built my system, my methodology, is in a way that what happens is that the indicators will paint a picture so I can identify the sequences of trades thereafter. Gold's going to get one more push up here. If you want to take a scalp long on gold, you can go 68.5 to 74.5 range on the gold. Silver, give me another push up, baby. Come on. Oh, brother. That was a caboose. Nothing to be bullish. Nothing to be bullish about. It's probably the last drop on silver ever. No. I think silver is eventually going to go into the mid 60s, low to mid 60s, and then I think you buy it. It's not so. You know how the S&Ps, remember the S&Ps back in April were 48.32 on Sunday night, then 48.95, and then 49.35 when we opened. I told the whole world they're not breaking 4,800. Every technician, I'm not going to mention their names, people I know, I'm not going to embarrass them. They all said, oh, 3,600, 3,900. One person said 2,500. I said, are you freaking, these people are on morphine. It ain't happening. The breakout level was 48.12. We didn't even touch that. Okay. Let's see here. Lee, that was very nice of you, Lee. That's very nice, kind words, Lee. Very nice words. All right, there goes the gold right back up. Gold, if you're long the gold, look to sell out any longs here, 76 up to 80. You should get one more push up on the gold. But it's a beast, all right. But it's an animal. It belongs in a cage. Gold lower highs. Let me see. It could be. I have to look. Okay, let's see what the Jesus silver. Jesus Lord God. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. Oh, this silver just going to get cabooshed. Forget it. That's it. It's over. Bring it in, Dano. Even 39s. Oh, shit, Steven. You should be on February gold. Look at this, 60 cent. Oh, my God. 70-cent drop. Fuck. damn it. Look at the silver on that bear flag. See, right? Even me with all my years of experience, I took my eye off silver for 1 second. I called the bear flag off the 30-minute time frame. This push up, I said you're going to get one more push up here. Okay. And it went from what? 34 up to ran 40 cents. And then look at it, just dropped 70 cents just now. One contract on silver. Look at it. This is just gonna make me sleep on. Look at this. This is gonna just rip me to shreds. This is gonna rip me to shreds here. This short off the bear flag. I mean, this was so clear, and I even said the 30-minute bear flag. Look at this. Beautiful bear flag. Oh my God. All right, we're going to be doing 10 raffles in about 30 minutes or so. So, Lee, do you understand that pattern? The 60-minute reverses to sell right here on silver. The MACD is negative above the pivot. You got selling pressure. Oh, my God, 90 cents. I just can't take it no more. Look at this, $1 on silver off that bear flag. Oh my God! Anybody short silver before I kill myself? Anybody short silver? Please make my night. Anybody? Wow. Oh my God. You got this, Derek. Thank God, Derek. Thank God, Derek. In the 15-minute time frame, you can see how the 15-minute time frame, what are the overbought level here? It got up to 85, 85.90 on that. Look at this silver. Oh my God. Look, it had to hit 75 down $1. You see that? You see that? Andrew, do you see that, Andrew? Do you see that? $1. Indicator was a 15. All right. Gold should get one more push up here. S&Ps, I'd be looking to short the S&P. NASDAQ, I'd be short NASDAQ here. 30 up to like 50. S&Ps, 36 and 36. 36 and a quarter up to 41 and a quarter. Silver just got absolutely caboose. You just long silver, I'd be very careful. But the silver strategy is the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. I mean, look at this bear flag here on the 15 and 30-minute time frame, right? It's a great strategy right there. All right. You're not even making a new low here. Be careful being long silver. Gold, if you want to scale out long, 73 to 77. S&P's dropping. NASDAQ, Jesus, I can't. Brian, did you get that short? You got the short in gold? That was a short in gold above the 83, 84, right, Brian? George, your last name has every letter in the alphabet. Yeah, great trade. I missed this gold. This silver short's going to keep me up all night. I'm not going to lie. There goes the gold pushing up here. All right. There goes the gold. This silver just got absolutely kabooshed. What will be? Right. Yo, Mr. Freeze. Oh, really? Don't do that to me. I can't believe you're in short silver. Are you kidding me? I was calling it out. You got RSI 90 on the daily on silver? Well, that means it's probably going to drop to like 57, 58, 55. Silver broke out above 50, so you're not going to, S&Ps, if you're short, look to cover anywhere between the 33 and a quarter, 35 and a quarter. NASDAQ, if you're short above 30, look to cover 15 to 25 range. There goes the gold right back up. Okay, there goes the gold right back up. Silver is just bouncing based upon Brian, isn't it amazing? I mean, literally, how many people that I've talked to about trading the gold and the silver, and people told me people say to me, don't mention it to the retail people. They don't know how to trade any of these things. I'm like, no way. I'm doing it. Don't tell me. No way in hell. That ain't happening. Right, Brian? No way. You're going to learn to trade. You're not going to be scared. Okay? I mean, George, there's every letter in the alphabet. If I could say this word, I'd be worth $1 billion. I can't even, I'm not even going to try. My brain hurts. Right? And that's what I want. I want trading to be fun. Look what Brian wrote, right? That it was a great year trading the precious metals. And basically, you know, it took me a bit, but now I love it. Yeah, but silver outperformed platinum and gold for the year. How's that? Right? Silver outperformed gold and platinum and copper for the year. So there goes the gold. Starts scaling out above 73.5 to 75.5 range. All right. George, where are you from, George? Obviously, you're from Greece, right? You're Greek. Right, George? Askimopoulos. Oh, my God. If I say that. Askimopoulos. Oh, my God. If I get that right, I'm really going to put a medal on my chest. Andrew Hockin, my name is easier. Let's go. I agree. Andrew's name is very easy. You made 170 on the silver long. Good for you. All right. What a short. I really got it. Wow. I'm gonna make a medal with the Greek flag on it. I'm gonna pin it to myself tonight. Who's in Tampa? If you're in Tampa, you got to get your tuchus over here. All right. If you're in Tampa, you should give me. Look at this. Look at the gold rally. Happy New Year. I would not. I would. RVS Sphinx. I would. I'm in Jupiter, Florida, only about 3 hours away. S&Ps. If you didn't cover the short, I'd be adding. NASDAQ, I'd be adding. If you didn't cover. You're in Canada. So a friend of mine, guy I know, be careful with this gold, silver. The silver could get cabooshed here. Okay, you're in a negative trend here. So, the Greeks won Queens. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So got 250 on that silver long. Michael too. You're a better man than me because I wasn't buying it. Okay. Oh my God, I would love it. Can you imagine? Look at the silver. Silver's down $1.10. So a good friend of mine, well, a person I know, lives up in Edmonton. He said it was minus 35 degrees. I said, what are you, crazy? He's taking a picture of him and his dog. I said, get that dog inside the car. They kill that damn thing. All right. I don't know. That's just my, okay. All right. So silver, 63. If this silver, oh boy, no. This silver's got to be shorted. Kaboosh. Kaboosh, kaboosh, kabooshed. Kabooshed. Oh, man. Look at Lee up $3,015. Good job. It's not that you don't trust it, Dr. 9801. It's just you don't know how to trade it, and you can learn from me. It's not about confidence in silver. Silver has no soul. It's how much confidence you have, right? It's how much confidence you have. And because you don't have the confidence to trade silver, it's because you don't have a methodology in place. You don't understand the patterns. You don't understand the scalping mechanisms, right? So that's what you need to focus on. All right, Dr. 980 Ti, 44 to 80. I don't know what that means. It just ran 30 cents silver just now. RVX is up 500. How about the fact that the market has no soul, period? Not just silver. The market has no soul. Yeah, EMM, if you're up 5,000, you should come visit me. Hey, Zil from Finland. There's my buddy. Dark Wind, what's going on? RVS Sphinx up 500. Oh, who cares, Doctor? Yeah, it went from, you just knew that when gold's making new highs and silver's trading 29.30, you knew silver was going to go, right? You just knew it. I mean, one doesn't leave the station without the other. You know what I'm saying? Silver, S&Ps, if you're short up there, NASDAQ, cover below 23. S&Ps look to cover anywhere between the 34.5 and the 35.75 if you're short S&P futures. Okay, another great short. You can't have emotions when you trade. I know that sounds like, like what are you a mannequin? What are you, a piece of metal? But it's true. You can't have emotions when you trade. Okay, look at the S&Ps just dropped 2. NASDAQ just dropped about 10. Jaybirds, that's what I'm talking about, Jaybirds. Up 2,900, up 500, up 3,100. Gold to the moon? Not yet. Don't be so, not yet. Not yet. All right. Again, we have about 18 minutes before, 13 minutes before Denny on the block comes on. You're short the S&P. Okay. Wait till these 15-minute time frames roll over and look out below. I'm saying that the markets have no soul, right? Like a mannequin, no soul, right? You need a metal heart? No, you don't. You need confidence. You need consistency. You need discipline. You need patience. You need passion, right? I'm 63 years old almost. I got more passion in my little finger right here, okay? I'll eat steel at this point in my life. You got the S&P, Johnny Mans? All right. How about the New York Jets? Are they the most jinxed team ever? I was with Joe Namath one night. He lives down here in Jupiter. I went out about a year ago, and Joe, well, he's there like 3-4 nights out of his restaurant. And I said, Joe, suit up. If you're lacking confidence and consistency, it's because you don't know what you're doing. Okay? And because you need to learn from someone like me. Right? Joe Willie. I said, we were hanging out, me and Joe Namath. I go, Joe, suit up. He goes, what are you, crazy? I'm 80 years old. I said, Joe, I'm only joking. Well, confidence is everything. You need confidence. It's like, look at the gold go. There goes the gold rally. I told you gold on that buy reversal. Scale out any long 74 to 76.5, 77. There you go. What happened? What are you thanking me for? Oh, the Chinese. Wow, look at the gold go. Oh my God. Look at this gold. Chinese PMI rose 50.1. All right, 10 minutes before. You guys, hope you guys I love trading too, man. There's nothing better. I mean, yeah, when you miss a trade like silver, it drops $1 straight line in literally 30 minutes. You just want to put your head in a microwave and press high. So I was streaming one day and I had this new student, young, nice kid. I don't think he's still with me. I think he went back to college, but he's an engineer student. He's going for his master's or something like that. So one day I missed a trade just like that in silver by inches, right? And I wouldn't short gold now. No, I would wait. Wait till the 15s get overbought again. So I said, I can't believe it. I just want to put my head in a microwave and press high, right? Okay. Next thing I know, he texts me in the chat. He said, Mr. Kalayjian, in all due respect, as an engineer student, I just want to inform you that if you put your head in the microwave and you press high, it won't work because you need to have the door shut. I said, are you kidding me? I know that. You think I'm really going to put my head in the microwave? I mean, I can't believe it. And then the second greatest story ever, right? Look at this gold go. Look at this gold. Good Lord. Right? Look at this gold. I told you not yet to short the gold. I wouldn't short it. So then the next story is literally was like 358. So someone in a text, someone new, young kid, I think he comes in and out still to this day, says to me, Mr. Kalayjian, do you have a strategy for the end of like the last 3 minutes of the day? I says, yeah. Okay. What did Jennifer do? What did Jennifer just do? I can't read. You got that long and what? Gold? Good job, Jennifer! What the hell's the Batman signal? Oh my God, I can't deal with this. Anyway, so the kid says to me, look at this gold rally. So he says to me, Mr. Kalayjian, do you have a strategy for the last 3 minutes of the day? I says, yes, you grab your car keys and get the hell out of there. The place went bananas. I literally said it like that. Yes, you grab your car keys and get the hell out of here. Boom. My gosh, look at his gold. Oh my God almighty. Happy New Year, Mr. Rockstar. Damn straight. I'll sign off with that tonight. All right, 7 minutes before we do the giveaways. The metals are going bananas. You're too late, Darkwing. You missed the boat. I think the cutoff was at 9 o'clock. What's platinum doing? Silver just ran 70 cents. Probably down. Yeah. What a bear flag right here. Oh my God. 60-minute time frame, reverse to sell. See this? And then you short the first bounce on the 5. 45 minutes later. 21.59. Oh my God. 60 cents on silver. Dragon Trade, great job. Rosie Chavez, who owes who? Pit trades, why? What happened? This is a monster short right here on platinum. Oh my God, look at the ADX rising. And you short the first bounce. Look at that. Oh my Lordy. Oh my God. All right. Got to put the silver back up. I mean, anybody trade platinum? I mean, it doesn't really do much, though. Are you guys allowed to trade platinum at MyFundedFutures? I don't know. I'm just asking. All right, if this silver, Mr. Silver again on the double red. Jesus Christ. Silver just dropped 24. Happy New Year, ROHT 007. So this is a double red short. The 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. This is another bear flag on the 5. So I missed 2 great bear flags. This is about 30 cents right here. I'm so freaking annoyed. Anybody get short on the double red here? On silver? Anybody? Just dropped 30 cents on silver. Look at this. $0.40. Oh my God. 50 cents. Come on, Steven. I've never missed 2 patterns like that in my life. You shorted gold again? Well, the real strategy here is the double red, the 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. And you short this bounce. Well, I hate to go out at the end of the year like that, missing 2 bear flags, 30 and then the 5. You're very welcome, my brother. Oh, my God. 60 cents. $0.60. Well, you should really be thanking MyFundedFutures for, oh my God, Steven. 2 bear flags tonight. They're going to put me in Bellevue. The 30 and then the double red short. That's it. I'm not. What a short. Wow. Monster short on the double red. If you see this pattern right here, the 5 correlates. Look at this. The silver is going to be down 90 cents. The silver, look at this. Silver down $1 on a pencil down. The 5 correlates with the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Here's a 30 negative, the 60s negative. Good Lord. And what do? You short the, look at this bear flag. This is an absolute Picasso. Good Lord, it's crashing. S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. The whole world's dropping. Up 840.
Steven.
Oh my God, look at this silver. Oh my God, it's crashing. Now you can take a scalp long on the silver here. You can take a scalp long like 60 to 90 or 50.
Oh my God, Steven, look at silver.
Oh, I gotta buy some now.
Steven, silver is gone.
Silver, I missed this short. If you're long this
$6,000 worth of silver just down.
You shorted it?
No, I'm holding the baby, so no.
Where's the mascot? There she is.
You see her?
Mm-hmm. If you bought this silver, this ran 40, I'd be kicking it out. S&P's got cabooshed. NASDAQ just got cabooshed. The whole world just got cabooshed. So, Denny, I missed this short here on the 30-minute right here. It happened too fast up at 75, and then I took my eye off it to look at gold. When gold was running, beautiful bear flag, the 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. Look at this short above 30.
Steven, you ready for the giveaways?
Let's do them. Denny's sick. Wow.
All right, let's get ready for these giveaways. Kaylee Lopez. Kaylee Lopez. That's a normal name. Never seen before, but definitely a normal name. Kaylee Lopez. I see you, Kaylee.
Look at Jay Birds, 5,000 tonight.
Let's try and get through these quick. Bobby Lashley Snake. Bobby Lashley Snake, are you here?
If you're
Thank you,
long the
Silver.
silver, I
Hope
kick
I
this
get
out
feel
above
better
90.
too.
Oh, my Lord. Oh,
Bobby Lashley Snake. Can someone at him?
Denny, you want me to do this, Denny? You want,
Huh?
you want me to do this since you can't talk?
Hang on, I can't hear you. Give me 1 second.
Do you want me to do this since you can't talk?
If you want, I'll just spin the wheel and you call their names out.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I don't think he's here though, so I'm about to respin. All right, respinning because he's not here. Crad bark.
I'll call it. Let me see if I can read it though. Get my reading glasses on here. If you're long the silver, I'd be kicking these out above 90. Oh my God, just ran 40 cents. This thing's an animal. How do you say this?
Crad
Crowder?
bark, I think.
Crod bark?
Yeah.
What a long. Crowd barks, you hear? Going once. Anybody get the long on silver? Crowd bark. Anybody?
Next. All right, he's not here. Next.
Okay.
It's hard being sick with kids, still working and still trading.
I'll call it out, Denny. I don't see it. I can't see the name.
That one was a blank. I don't know why, but whenever I put the names in, sometimes it gives me blank spaces.
All right. One trade. One trade. Congratulations. One trade. One trade. Anybody here? One trade?
He's here. I see him.
You see him?
Yep.
Anybody get that long on silver? I got to go to Bellevue on the 3rd floor, East Wing.
PG contract.
BG contract. Anybody here at BG?
No, PG.
Oh,
Sorry, that's my fault.
BG.
Yep, he's here.
The scaling in, right? Trade X. Forget the long, you got the short. Forget the long, you got the short. So I asked if anybody got that bear flag. Oh my God, what a bear flag.
Chris Knoof, are you here?
Chris Knoof. Okay, was that Knoof
Yeah, that's why I think it's Knoof or just Noof.
or Noof?
Yeah.
Anybody
Noof.
named? Anybody? Chris. Stay tuned. Oh my God Almighty!
Ouch.
Jesus, Lord God, what a bear flag! All right, next one. He got noofed. Take care, George. If you want access to my 5-day free live stream, you can text me 914-500-7484.
Rally point.
Raleigh Point. Raleigh Point, come in. Raleigh Point. Raleigh Point.
Chris Knuth is here.
Up.
Oh, yeah. Everybody said that he was here.
Oh, he was? Oh, my God.
Chris Knuth, I put your name down. Is Rally Point here? Oh, I see Rally Point. All right, that's 5. We got 5 more to go. Let me see if my wife can hold her real quick.
I buy this silver here. Oh, my God. I buy this silver here. 72, 75, 72.85 to 73.05. My God, look at this silver. Wow. This silver is going to go. You're at $1.50 above the 10 bar. If you're long the silver, start scaling out of longs up here. Wow. What do you mean rest in peace?
Wife's holding the baby. Did y'all see him? Regime? They hear and they responded. Thank you, Lizzie. It helped. It helped. That's got to be Ethan. Yeah.
Start scaling on any longs here on silver if you bought it.
Ethan, how's grandma doing? She doesn't want to leave the house. I feel it. I see it helped.
What a freaking bear flag. Pencil down here.
All right, we got 3 more winners. What is going on with my camera? Gabriel Trades.
Hey, Gabriel, I'd be scaling out of longs here if you bought the silver down here. Look at this freaking bear flag. Can you imagine this? I missed the 75 print here. Where's the 75?
Gabriel Trades, I see you.
Right? This silver is the best.
Ray CO4.
God. What a short. What a miss here.
I'll say he's here, but I haven't seen him type. Ah, I see him. All right, one more.
That's it?
Nope, we got one more. Who's going to be the lucky winner? 4X Elite. 4X Elite.
Not bad. We had about 390 people tonight. Not bad for
Tuesday.
I want Denny feel better. Again, I want to wish everybody, I just want to say thank you to MyFundedFutures. Denny, it's been a great last 6 months together. And I just want to say it's been such an honor and a privilege to be here. You know, we give it our all. Sorry about the 2 missed shorts on silver, the 75 and then the 30 on this bear flag. I won't sleep. This is a set pattern, the double red. But I just want to say thank you to MyFundedFutures, to Luke, to Matt, to the team, Burke, to Ash, to Magnus, to Denny, of course. It means a lot to me to be here, to be part of this. I love it. I love the fact that so many of you have been now, exposed to trading the metals, which a lot of people never, I mean, my phone blew up all week long for people thanking me for this year. It actually put them in, payouts and really understanding. But again, thank you to MyFundedFutures. Thank you, Denny. Thank you to all of you. Enjoy, be safe. God bless you. And of course, as always, like I said, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Thank you, Denny.
Everyone.
Feel better, my brother.
Yes, sir. Thank you. See y'all on Monday.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.